Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter, Good Habits. First of all, I will discuss here about good habits. Okay? I feel strongly that these are good habits that everyone should adopt to be more successful. Students go to school to get an education for a better, more prosperous life. However, many of the good habits needed to truly be successful are learned outside the classroom. Developing good habits that will help individuals of all ages succeed can never start too early. These routines will help us create success for the rest of our lives. They are the tools we need to live life to the fullest. Good habits everyone needs for success. This list of good habits will serve you well whether you are a parent, a student, entrepreneur, or just a regular person. Learning these habits now will help everyone get ahead in life. First of all, get on a good schedule. Okay, we need structure and routine in our lives. Our bodies expect it. They perform best when we operate on a regular schedule. We especially need to eat and sleep about the same time each day. If you are the students, it is your job to teach and to, obey this habit early. And this routine stays with a person their whole life and helps them to develop good work habits. First of all, eat a healthy diet. Our brains need the right food to perform at their peak. Don't go to school or work on an empty stomach. Students need to train themselves early to eat a balanced and healthy diet. We tend to carry the habits we learn when we are young forward with us for most of our lives. Learning to eat right now can avoid many health issues down the road. Then learn to exercise. We need physical activity to stay healthy. The benefits of regular exercise are well documented. We need to find exercise routines that are fun and match our individual tastes. Developing a good exercise routine is a habit that will increase both the quantity and quality of our life. Next, practice gratitude. It is so easy to get in the bad habit of envying what others have. The grass often seems greener on the other side of the fence. Okay, it is vitally important to learn gratitude. Practice thinking about the things you have to be thankful about. I do this with, and I always obey this. These help us to train ourselves to be grateful. Then after develop good study habits. Studying effectively is a skill. People that live life to the fullest are lifelong learners. They never stop trying new things. One needs to study and gather new knowledge in an effective and efficient manner. Learning how to study and acquire the knowledge to succeed doesn't just occur naturally. It needs to be taught. Take a study skills course or ask others for tips on improving your study habits. Next, never give up. I remember being told in school that winners never quit and quitters never win. I think this is a Vince Lombardi quote and it is certainly true. It takes perseverance in life to enjoy any kind of success. I also remember hearing, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. This saying come back to me time and again when I feel like giving up. So, perseverance is a habit. It is one that can be developed just like any other. Okay? Next, respect the environment. It seems to be hip to be green, but being a good steward of our environment is really not that new. Wise students have been taught these principles to their same friends For ages, we only have this one world and we depend on it for our survival. Every person needs to do their part to protect what we have. Develop habits now that will help you to be a good environmental citizen for a lifetime. Then, after strive for excellence, why do a job if you are going to do it right? We need to develop the habit of giving every task our best effort. Excellence should be the standard we strive for in all we do. We can't start letting ourselves or do the least possible to get by. If we do, then they are going to receive less than the best results from their work. Okay, then after, leave the golden rule. Do unto others is a guideline we should at all follow. Think of all the conflict and tragedy that could have been avoided if people simply applied the golden rule in all their relationships. If we make this a habit, then we will find a lot more success in life, and respecting people of all races and beliefs is a hallmark of living life to the fullest. Okay, then after, practice good hygiene. You really can dress for success. Habits like brushing your teeth twice a day and washing your hands regularly not only contribute to health but also lead to routines that give one a sharper appearance. First impressions are powerful and are mostly derived from the way a person looks. Like it or not, this is true. Start today to ensure you do what it takes to leave a lasting good impression. Okay, then after, always tell the truth. The truth often comes out whether we want it to or not. Lying generally just complicates the situations and makes us look bad. Look at the scandals many of our, politicians and many of the fellows fall into because they fail to admit the truth. And it is much better to just develop the habit of telling the truth even when it is difficult. This will save you a lot of heartache and misery in life. Next, ask for what you want. Develop the habit of asking for what you want actually. How else are you going to get it? It is really very simple. Often when I ask, I am amazed at how quickly I get exactly what I wanted. Just give this one a try. If you are a student, then this is truly a behavior you want to come naturally. It will build confidence and self-esteem that will serve, okay, forever. Then after, be a regular reader. Being a good reader is a skill that often separates the good students from those that struggle. Becoming a good reader takes practice. The more you read and are read to, the better you get. Reading has numerous benefits. It builds one's vocabulary, expands the imagination, and rekindles creativity. Make reading a routine. Be punctual. Arriving on time is important to one's success. People always notice when you are late. It is an indicator of whether you mean what you say and can be trusted. Do not introduce doubt about this into people's mind by showing up later than expected. Create the habit of being punctual now and you won't have to worry. Respect authority. Okay, failure to respect those in authority positions can lead to all kinds of problems in life. It doesn't matter whether it is your boss, anyone. People in authority have a job to do and often work hard to get into the position they are in. They deserve to be treated with proper manners and reverence. Learning to say yes ma'am and yes sir will get you noticed in a positive way. Then, good habits developed now will last a lifetime. These are good habits you want to set in concrete now. The quicker you make these habits that you live by, the better life you will experience. If you are a student, then print this list and work on it with you forever. And back to school is an excellent time to focus on new habits that will last a lifetime. Okay, students, in your book Good Habits, chapter. Here you have to write the correct letter from the given clues below each picture in the box. Okay. In number 1, take meals on time. We should take meals on time. In number 2, respect teachers. We should respect our teachers, elders, Number 3, H. Go for walk. Exercise is very important. Walking in the morning time, evening time, whenever possible, you should walk. Number 4, go to school in time. Be punctual. Go to school in time. Number 5, pray. Yes, in every religion, pray is more important things in our life, and we will start our day with pray. Next, number 6, brush the teeth. Okay, we should brush in number 6. In number 6, care for the sick. We should care for the sick. We should always help to the needy person. Okay, we should always care our grandparents. Number 7, be attentive in the classroom. We should always listen to our class teachers, our elders. We should always be attentive and focus towards our study in the classroom. Next, number 8, brush the teeth. Means we should brush our teeth twice in a day, morning time and evening time. Thank you, students. It's all for today. Stay home and stay safe.